It's a beautiful city. This is Strasbourg. Amazing. So we are at the center of the city, and during Christmas it's all decorated with the lights, and you can see that's the Cathedral of Strasbourg, and it's really big and beautiful. So as you can see, it's there. I'm not sure at night if it's clear or not, because it's a little bit far. We are in front of the cathedral, and I'm not sure, but probably we will come at daytime as well to see this beautiful place. It's huge. I've actually never been inside in one of those cathedrals, but I really want to go. I cannot really explain you what I can see by my eyes. This cathedral is totally a surprising element, and it's fantastic. I have not seen such a beautiful cathedral before. I have seen cathedral in a lot of cities, but this one is unique. Yeah, so far it's the most beautiful one that I have seen. So this place is a beauty. Captain Jack Sparrow. And there you go, an old candy shop with hundreds of variety of candies, and with Pirates of Caribbean theme. Great place. And here they have different types of amazing candies. So it's near Cathedral in Strasbourg. The thing I like about this city, Strasbourg, is these waters. So you can find the small bridges in the whole city, and they make the city really attractive. You can get, I don't know how many are them, but there are hundreds of these types of bridges here, and they are really beautiful, and you can enjoy these old houses, and I think it's for me it's one of the unique design, and yeah, it looks great. So as you can see, this system of putting logs on the bridge is like everywhere. Look at the city, it's beautiful. I see the pigeons are irritating these ducks because they are stealing their food. Lovely city. That's the cathedral, and the most unique cathedral. It's a French architecture, and it's really beautiful. So if you are in here, don't forget to visit the cathedral, because this is the most popular attraction of the city. They have these types of markets during Christmas. I'm not sure if it is during Christmas or it's always like this, but I did not see this market at night. In the morning maybe they just set up this market. So they have the trams everywhere in the city to travel around.